Mastering seamless payments on the go is easier than ever with Revolut right in your pocket. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly make payments with the Revolut app on your phone, unlocking convenience for every kind of transaction. First, let's get you funded. Top up your Revolut account with a few simple taps. Tap the Add Money button on your home screen. Choose your preferred method, be it a debit card, bank transfer, or another ULIT. Enter the amount and confirm it's quick, secure, and ready to power your payments. Shopping online, Revolut makes it a breeze when you reach the checkout of your favorite online store. Simply select the Revolut card option. You can use your virtual card details directly from the app while you are just tap to reveal your card number, expiry date, and CVV for added security. You can even generate a disposable virtual card for single online transactions, protecting your main card details. Sending money to a friend is literally at your fingertips. Navigate to the Pay section. You can search for contacts who also use Revolut, or if they don't, you can send via their phone number or email. Enter the amount, add a customizable note, and hit send. Your payment is instant and fee-free within Revolut. For in-store purchases, your phone becomes your wallet. Open your Revolut app, tap on your main card, and select the option to pay in store. Then, simply hold your phone near any contactless payment terminal. For larger amounts, you might need to enter your phone's unlock code or use biometric authentication, adding an extra layer of security. One of Revolut's biggest advantages is its international payment capabilities. When you pay in a different currency, Revolut automatically uses competitive exchange rates, often beating traditional banks, saving you money on every transaction abroad. From spontaneous online shopping sprees and quick peer-to-peer transfers to everyday purchases and international adventures, Revolut on your phone offers unparalleled convenience and robust security. That's how you master payments with Revolut. Why Euro simple, smart, and secure.